Hello everyone! Today I would like to share with you the simple technique which I did in order to speed up the germination of cashew seeds. Ayan. So ang ginawa ko lang dito ay nilagay ko lang siya sa tissue paper. Ayan, tapos nilagyan ko ng aloe vera at sibuyas. So the onion and aloe vera are proven natural rooting hormone. So ayan, ganyan lang yung ginawa ko. Lagay lang yung sibuyas. Tapos lagyan din ng konting tubig. Then store it. Cover it and store it in dark places. Ayan. Then, that's the result already after 6 days. As you can see, marami ng mga roots na lumabas. And it's time for planting now. Okay? Ayan, nagtatanim na po ako ng napa-germinate ko na seeds ng cashew. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and I would appreciate that very much. Thank you so much for your support. Ganyan lang po kasimple. Then later, or sa susunod na mga uploads ko, papakita ko sa inyo ang result na totally nag-germinate na siya. Meron ng dahon. Okay, thank you so much again for watching.